In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Looker Studio. Duplicating a page is a quick way to reuse a layout, test variations, or create a consistent design across your report without rebuilding everything from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful notes along the way so you know what to expect. First, open Looker Studio. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your available reports. Find the report you want to work in and click it to open. If you only have viewing access, you'll see a read-only view. To duplicate a page, you'll need editing access to that report. Inside the report, switch to editing mode by clicking Edit at the top. This toggles the interface into a mode where you can modify components, data controls, and of course pages. If you don't see the Edit button, that typically means you don't have permission to make changes. In that case, check with the report owner or your team admin. With Edit mode active, look to the top menu bar and click Page. This is the menu dedicated to page-level actions, which keeps things like new pages, navigation, and duplication neatly organized in one place. It's a reliable spot whenever you're managing the structure of your report. From the Page menu, choose Duplicate Page. The moment you click this, Looker Studio creates an exact copy of your current page inside the same report. All the charts, scorecards, text boxes, and images on that page are replicated, along with their formatting and layout. Any page-level filters, controls, and interactions are carried over as well, so the new page behaves just like the original. This is especially useful when you want to maintain a consistent design while adjusting metrics, dimensions, or styling later on. After duplication, look at your page navigation to confirm the new page has appeared. It will typically have a name that indicates it's a copy, making it easy to spot. The underlying data sources remain the same, so there's no extra configuration needed just to duplicate. Keep in mind that report level settings and access don't change when you duplicate a page. You're simply adding another page inside the same report, which is safe for experimentation. And that's it. Go to your report, enter edit mode, open the page menu, and click duplicate page. In just a few clicks, you've saved yourself a lot of rebuild time and set yourself up for faster, more consistent reporting.